Here's Miss Lily doing her Kentucky Kids Try International Snacks. She's going to try these, which are from the United Kingdom. They're their version of our Cheetos. Give it a try, Lil.
They taste exactly the same, but I love them more.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
They're so tiny.
They don't have, they're not quite as powdery and orangey, I think.
They're very good though.
Okay, well, how about trying, she's going to try this from Hawaii, the passion fruit guava nectar.
I love this.
It's pretty good.
Two of my new favorite snacks.
Okay.
You need to get these more often, by the way.
Well, I have to go all the way to Jungle Jim's just to get that little pack.
Oh.
And then these are from the Netherlands. These little
They smell cinnamon.
spiced cookies or biscuits, as they might would say. They kind of remind us of gingerbread, don't they?
I love that.
Don't know if they have everything that gingerbread has, but they remind us of it. Finish your drink and you can try some of this peach one. And then you can tell me which one you like the best. Ready?
That one looks more orangey, more clear.
Little girl's thirsty. She's been outside playing. So, how was it? Just gross?
Oh.
Which one do you think you like the best of the
peach
drinks?
one. I have to say peach.
Peach juice drink wins. Again. Okay. Well.
My least favorite thing was probably this. But
Your least
so
favorite was
good.
the spiced cookie?
I like these the best
Okay.
though.
All right. Thank you for playing.
Bye.
Bye.